Hi everyone, look at my channel, I'm Jan, and we are in Vnukovo in Russia. It's another airport, and we are staying here by the Capsule hotel, so you can see a little bit what it looks like inside. So like Japanese style, right? And it looks like a little bit like a spaceship or something. So you feel like you are in a spaceship capsule. Somebody just come out from there, I don't know, enjoy the sleep or not. So I want just to show you a little bit what it looks like, the inside. So you can see it's all open and I can have a little look. So that's the door, and inside what you have there, TV and all the different buttons. So I don't know, what's this mirror? I guess that's the mirror. Hello, hello. So you have a control out there, some Wi-Fi and earphones. You have a pillow and a mattress. Well, I hope it's comfortable, I don't know. Oh, you have a little safe. Look, there is a safe out there. So you can, I guess, like put your passports and whatever, something else important, money. Okay, so you have controls. You can do stuff. I don't know what else you can do with it. And I wonder how much is it a soundproof. I was reading some reviews of people saying it's not as quiet as it could be, but it's pretty cute. If you are staying, I guess, overnight and you need to go next day flight very early, then I guess it's really cool. So it does feel like you were in a spaceship inside. So how they see that's like playing TV on one. So what else you have there? Well, of course, PowerPoints, and this is what it looks like when it's closed. Okay, so you have like a door closed. I'm not sure you can put here, I guess, your luggage. Yeah, I would think so. Little small bag, obviously, hand luggage. You wouldn't put a suitcase, wouldn't fit in it, but hand luggage would be alright. So this is what it looks like. Like I'm saying, it's like from some movies, like Future or Alien. Yeah, that's my husband just telling me. It looks like from an Alien movie. You like it? You like it? It looks interesting, quite cool. So it says like what, non-smoking, card there, quiet, and don't disturb. Yeah, try not to disturb people there. So that's it. It's quite cute. And yeah, so I think over there, I don't know how much does it cost. If anybody, somebody sits there, okay, so it costs like what, 450 rubles, some 350, I don't know what it is. We will see. I don't think it's a price, it's gonna be cheap. Okay, so that's quite cool. I'll say, even have a little fan out there. So no air conditioning, I guess, but a little fan. Okay, we just found out that this is actually per hour. So yes, 450 rubles an hour at night. So it's about $6 and 350 rubles from 10 o'clock till 10 in the evening. So an hour. And, so actually you can just rent it for a couple of hours if you're tired and want to have a sleep. So quite cool. Okay, so just a little bit of interesting stuff here in Vnukovo, Moscow.